Good morning, everybody. It is 9:40 in the morning. We had our breakfast. Today we are going to California Academy of Sciences Museum. They have like tons of stuff there, so it should be pretty cool. Not wearing any makeup today because it's raining out and disgusting. So that is the plan for the day. We're then taking an Uber there, and yeah, not sure what else is happening. Anybody have to say anything to the vlog?
Good morning.
Mother says good morning. Everybody says good morning. We're all here. So that is all, and I'll see you guys at the museum. So we are now heading into the rainforest. I don't know if you can hear. We are heading into the rainforest.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
We're going the wrong way.
Oh, we were going the wrong way. We are heading to the rainforest.
This way. It's rainforest.
We're at the museum now. So I'll show you guys around the rainforest. So we're now at another museum. We're now at another museum. Look at mine. Mom, look how I'm doing my view. Bridge over there. I can zoom in. Yep. That's the bridge. This view is amazing. Wow. Mother, what do you have to say about the view?
Oh, it's fabulous. Just fabulous.
Fabulous? Pretty cool. I'll take some pictures. We are now going to Fisherman's Wharf. We just finished at Pier 39. I didn't vlog. Oh well. But I'll show you guys around Fisherman's Wharf. So, yeah. It's really cold though. I like cold where I am in New York, but it's kind of cold. So, yeah. So I'll show you guys around the Alcatraz. I'll show you guys tomorrow. And here we go into Fisherman's Wharf. Wharf? Made it to In-N-Out. Woo! In-N-Out. I am very excited to have In-N-Out my second time this trip. In-N-Out, here we come. In-N-Out, here we come. In-N-Out, 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 In-N-Out. Okay. Okay guys, so I want to end today's vlog. I didn't get as much footage as I want, but so I'll definitely show you guys around more tomorrow. I'm going to go Alcatraz tomorrow. I'm going to start tomorrow's vlog now, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.